All quiet here in Mission Control as the teams continue to watch their systems, all going very smoothly. Atlantis' altitude is 202,000 feet. Atlantis' onboard guidance now being fed by global positioning system satellites as the orbiter approaches the Southern California coast. Range to the landing site 220 miles. Altitude 131,000 feet, sinking at a rate of 260 feet per second. Atlantis' velocity is 4,100 miles per hour. Time to touchdown, 9 minutes, 15 seconds. First views of Atlantis, long-range cameras from the Edwards Air Force Base facility, Dryden Flight Research Center, as Atlantis crosses the coastline, approaching from the west. 140 miles from the landing site, altitude 107,000 feet, traveling 3,000 miles per hour, time to touchdown 8 minutes.
Atlantis, take air data.
Processing air data through air data probes on the nose of the orbiter, providing real-time atmospheric conditions to the onboard guidance system. Atlantis is now 6.5 minutes from landing at Edwards Air Force Base. Altitude 81,000 feet, traveling 1,700 miles per hour. Atlantis is falling at a rate of 260 feet per second. Guidance now navigating Atlantis toward the imaginary heading alignment circle. that will set up for the final approach to landing on runway 22, which is the northeast to southwest approach to the runway.
Atlantis on energy, approaching the hack. Update to your winds. They've picked up to 15, peak 21, right down the runway. Touchdown 2900 at 205. Nominal shoot.
Copy, nominal shoot 2900 at 205.
That's a good readback.
That call updating Commander Scott Altman on the expected weather, winds at touchdown right down the runway as the orbiter approaches the heading alignment circle. About 4.5 minutes to landing. Atlantis is traveling 730 miles per hour, altitude 50,000 feet. Commander Scott Altman now flying Atlantis. Views as the crew sees it through the forward windows of the orbiter, through the heads-up display. The twin sonic booms heralding the arrival of Atlantis to the landing site. Time to touchdown 3 minutes. Altitude 34,000 feet. Traveling 560 miles per hour.
Atlantis on at the 180.
Copy, Houston, on at the 180.
Pilot Greg Johnson now flying Atlantis as the orbiter is halfway around the heading alignment circle to line up with runway 22, the northeast to southwest approach end of runway 2204.